Let's discuss best kitchen gadgets. All gadgets, links in comment and description. Let's start the video. Say hello to effortless healthy eating with the Foodi PRO Pump Salad Spinner. This 6.6 quart kitchen must-have makes washing and drying your salad greens, fruits, and even delicate berries a breeze. Imagine preparing crisp, clean salads in seconds, all with a simple one-handed pump that spins your produce dry and a handy brake button to stop the action instantly. The large capacity means it's perfect for feeding the whole family, while the basket doubles as a colander, and the clear plastic bowl transforms into a stylish serving or mixing bowl. Its non-slip base keeps it stable during use, saving your countertops from scratches and your nerves from frustration. Pros: large capacity for family-sized portions, easy one-handed operation with a brake button for control, multi-purpose design, colander, salad bowl, and spinner in one. Non-slip base ensures stability and protects surfaces. Cons: may take up more storage space due to its size. Plastic construction might not appeal to those seeking more durable materials. Next, Foodi PossibleCooker PRO. This 8.5 quart powerhouse replaces 14 different cooking tools. Yes, 14! Whether you're slow cooking a hearty stew, sautéing veggies, steaming fish, or baking bread, this multi-cooker does it all. Imagine searing proteins directly in the pot and finishing meals in the oven with its 500 degrees Fahrenheit oven-safe capability, all while saving time with its triple fusion heat technology, cooking up to 30% faster than conventional ovens. Perfect for entertaining, it can handle meals for 20 people or more, making it the ultimate companion for family feasts and gatherings. Pros: replaces 14 appliances, saving space and money. Large capacity is perfect for big meals and entertaining. Oven-safe pot for versatile cooking. Triple fusion heat cooks faster and more evenly. Cons: pot requires hand washing for longevity, slightly bulky for smaller kitchens. Next, Sunnecko all-purpose kitchen scissors, a tool that's as versatile as it is powerful. These heavy-duty scissors are a culinary game-changer, slicing through chicken bones, fish, thick veggies, and even herbs with ease, thanks to their razor-sharp, micro-serrated titanium-coated blades, built with high-carbon stainless steel. They're not only incredibly durable, but also resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring they last for years. The ergonomic non-slip handles are designed for comfort, so no matter how long you're prepping, your hands won't feel the strain. Best of all, the detachable blades make cleaning and maintenance a breeze, keeping hygiene at the forefront. Pros: ultra-sharp, micro-serrated blades for precise cutting. High-quality titanium-coated stainless steel ensures durability. Ergonomic non-slip handles for comfortable use. Detachable blades for easy cleaning and maintenance. Cons: larger design might be less convenient for small hands. Requires careful handling due to extreme sharpness. Next, Titanium Always Pan Pro. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I'm absolutely obsessed. It's truly a game changer in the kitchen. Before this, I was always frustrated with my old pans. They would stick, warp, and get scratched so easily. But this pan is built to last. The revolutionary no-coating technology means I can use metal utensils without worrying about damaging the surface. It's also incredibly heat-resistant, so I can sear meats and vegetables to perfection without worrying about hot spots. Pros: no more worrying about food sticking or scratching the pan. Can handle high temperatures for searing and frying. Built to last with a strong tri-ply construction. Dishwasher safe or can be hand-washed with ease. Adds a touch of style to your kitchen. Cons: it's a bit more expensive than some other pans on the market. To maintain the non-stick surface, it's best to avoid using steel wool or abrasive cleaners. Next, Wonderside Flying Insect Trap. The perfect blend of effectiveness, safety, and modern design. This indoor bug catcher uses unique blue V-light technology to attract, trap, and kill houseflies, gnats, mosquitoes, moths, and fruit flies. No zapping, noise, or unpleasant odors involved. Just plug it in and let it silently work its magic 24/7. Its sleek, slim design rotates up to 90 degrees to fit any outlet, ensuring your space stays stylish and functional. Safe for pets and people, it's free of chemical insecticides, making it perfect for every corner of your home, from the kitchen to the living room. Pros: silent and odor-free operation, perfect for any room. Pet and family friendly with no harsh chemicals. Slim, rotating design fits any space without blocking other outlets. Easy to replace adhesive cartridge with no mess. Cons: requires periodic cartridge replacements, less effective in large, open spaces. That's awesome and superb, bro. Next, hex-clad hex mill salt grinder. The ultimate tool to elevate your kitchen game with precision and style. Crafted from a solid aluminum body and a sleek gunmetal gray, this grinder is built to last and perform. Its innovative burr grinder design delivers lightning-fast, ultra-consistent salt production, far outpacing traditional blade grinders. With 10 adjustable grind settings, you have full control over texture, from ultra-fine powders for delicate dressings to coarse granules for hearty rubs. Its thoughtful design includes a quick-release refill cap and a no-mess bottom, keeping your countertop pristine. Say goodbye to dull grinders and hello to perfectly seasoned dishes that wow every time. Pros: lightning-fast grinding with superior consistency. 10 adjustable settings for precision control. Durable, corrosion-resistant build preserves salt freshness. Convenient refill mechanism and mess-free bottom cap. Cons: not suitable for moist salts like Celtic sea salt. Premium price point may not fit every budget. Next, Zule Kitchen stainless steel wire cheese slicer. Whether you're crafting the ultimate charcuterie board, assembling the perfect grilled cheese, or adding a touch of elegance to your dinner, this tool is your ticket to pro-level slicing. With adjustable wire thickness, you can create paper-thin slices or hearty chunks up to 1/4 inch, making it perfect for mozzarella, cheddar, brie, and more. Its sturdy zinc aluminum and stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the ergonomic handle makes slicing effortless. And with 2 extra wires included, you're set for countless cheesy creations. It's not just a slicer, it's a game changer for every cheese enthusiast. Pros: adjustable wire thickness for precise slicing, durable, high-quality materials built to last, ergonomic design for effortless handling, comes with 2 extra wires for long-term use. Cons: not suitable for extra hard cheeses like Parmesan, requires hand washing for maintenance. Next, mini bag sealer with you. I used to get so frustrated with open bags of chips going stale so quickly, but this little gadget is a lifesaver. It's so easy to use. Just slide it along the edge of the bag and voila, a perfect seal every time. I love that it's compact and portable, so I can take it with me on trips or picnics. Plus, it's rechargeable, so I don't have to worry about finding batteries. Pros: seals and cuts bags in one easy step. No preheating required, just slide and seal. Perfect for travel and on-the-go use. Convenient and eco-friendly. Helps prevent food waste and spoilage. Cons: may not be suitable for very thin plastic bags. Sealing may not be effective if you move the sealer too quickly or slowly. Next, egg cracker tool set. Your ultimate 3-in-1 solution for cracking, peeling, and opening eggs with ease and precision. Whether it's soft-boiled, hard-boiled, or raw eggs, this set has you covered with a sleek egg cracker, a top-notch shell opener, and a handy peeler. Imagine effortlessly cracking an egg without shattering the shell, or peeling a boiled egg in seconds. No frustration, no mess. Made with durable plastic and an ergonomic design, this compact kitchen gadget is perfect for home chefs, breakfast enthusiasts, and even camping trips. Pros: crack, open, and peel with ease. Compact and portable design, ergonomic and user-friendly, dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Cons: limited to egg-related tasks. Plastic material may not be as durable as stainless steel. Next, Vantic Garlic Press Rocker, the ultimate game changer for crushing and mincing garlic with zero fuss and all the flair. This innovative gadget combines an arc-shaped design with a comfortable handle that makes it a breeze to use, even if you have a weaker grip. With just a rocking motion, you can crush and mince garlic in half the time. Made of premium stainless steel and high-quality silicone, it's built to last, rust-resistant, and a cinch to clean. Plus, it comes with a garlic peeler, scraper, and cleaning brush to ensure a mess-free and effortless cooking experience. Say goodbye to sticky fingers and hello to perfectly minced garlic in seconds. Pros: innovative design makes garlic crushing fast and easy. Durable, rust-resistant stainless steel. Includes extra tools for peeling, scraping, and cleaning. Minimal cleanup and easy storage. Cons: limited to garlic-related tasks. May take some practice to perfect the rocking motion. That's enough for today. Share your thoughts in comments about this video and must subscribe for more videos. Let's meet in these videos. Be happy and stay safe.